you want to make a Thanksgiving style meal that won't make you pull your hair out, you can make some tasty Stardew Valley style stuffing. The bird is optional, and when I say bird, I mean chicken, which tastes way better than turkey anyway. But we're gonna make it taste like Thanksgiving with poultry seasoning. This has sage, which is one of the flavors in the Stardew Valley stuffing. A lot of poultry seasoning contains salt, but this one doesn't, so I'm gonna add some, along with pepper and MSG. Season your chicken thighs liberally. You can use whatever chicken parts you want, but I love chicken thighs, so I'm using chicken thighs. If you have time, put them on a rack and let them dry brine all day in the fridge. They'll come out extra juicy. But like I said, totally optional. What's not optional is a small onion, which I'm gonna dice in half, dice radially, and then chop roughly. Nothing fancy. In your favorite oven-proof skillet goes some butter. I'm using a lot of it. Once it's melted, add your onions and cook them for about 10 minutes until they get golden and sweet. Should look like this. In goes some water, which you're going to want to bring up to a boil, because we're going to use stuffing mix. Yeah, that's right, from a box. I think it's pretty good, especially if you make it special. Turn down the heat and stir until the stuffing mix absorbs all the water. And you can mix in some cranberries. Dried, of course. I love these. What I don't love are chestnuts. Now, I never had chestnuts, so I bought some for this recipe because the in-game version has them. And when I cracked open the bag, they tasted rotten. Now, I don't know if this is the brand, or if that's just how chestnuts taste, but I wasn't going to risk it. However, if I had some macadamia nuts, I would have used those. Just chop them up before mixing them in. Once your stuffing is good and mixed, grab your chicken pieces and top the stuffing. I'm going to brush them with a little bit of oil because I like my skin super crispy. Roast anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour or until the juices run clear. The beauty of this recipe is that the chicken juices are going to drip down into the stuffing, which will make it taste even better once we serve it. At this point though, I'm going to remove the cooked chicken, and then I'm going to bake the stuffing another 5 minutes or so because I like it crispy on top. To serve this big, beautiful mess, plop some stuffing on a plate, along with a piece of chicken. And I made some gravy too, so I'm going to use that as well. This smaller, smarter, and speedier Thanksgiving was made possible by Stardew Valley stuffing, which is totally yummy. If you dug this, check out my other Stardew Valley recipes. And make sure to subscribe because I plan on doing some more. You're not going to want to miss them. Thanks for watching. Bye!